Today, on Guess What I Found Out, we're going to discover some facts about Pluto. Yes, the cosmic underdog that got demoted harder than your favourite boy band after 2006. One day it's a planet, next day it's just a glorified ice ball with commitment issues. But don't worry, Curious George, NASA still loved it enough to fling a billion-dollar space probe its way, because you know scientists can be petty too. Back in the 1800s, people were handing out planet status like Oprah handed out cars. You get a planet, everyone gets a planet. At one point, about 20 random objects were called planets. By the 1930s, Clyde Tombaugh stumbled upon Pluto while looking for Planet X, which sounds less like astronomy and more like an off-brand superhero. At the time, Pluto checked 2 boxes. 1 orbits the Sun, and 2 looks unique in the neighborhood. Boom! Planet. Until 2006, when scientists decided, maybe planets should actually clear their orbit of other junk. Pluto, living in the Kuiper Belt, a cosmic junkyard, flunked that test. So goodbye planet Pluto, hello dwarf planet Pluto. Basically the solar system's participation trophy. But here's where Pluto redeems itself. It's reflective. It has a drunken elliptical orbit, and it takes 248 years to orbit the Sun. That's right, Curious George. Pluto hasn't even celebrated 1 full birthday since it was discovered. Imagine waiting centuries just to blow out your candles. Sarcastic clap for Pluto. NASA, in true X-drama fashion, launched New Horizons in 2006, the same year Pluto was demoted. Coincidence? Or the ultimate, you're not a planet, but I'll still stalk you on Instagram move? New Horizons was a 1,000-pound spacecraft strapped to an Atlas V rocket with 5 boosters generating 2 million pounds of thrust. So, that thing yeeted itself past the moon in just 9 hours. For a bit of perspective, the Apollo missions took 3 days to make the same trip. Flex much? Then it used Jupiter as a slingshot to pick up even more speed. And along the way, it snapped some casual photos of Io exploding. Because, well, when you're on a billion-mile road trip, you've got time to Instagram volcanoes. Fast forward 8 years of boredom, and in 2015, New Horizons finally slid into Pluto's DMs, snapping the first close-ups. Turns out Pluto wasn't just a frozen potato, it's rocking a big icy heart called Sputnik Planitia. It has glaciers made of nitrogen ice, polygon patterns from convection currents, and even cryovolcanoes spewing slush like the world's saddest Slurpee machine. Oh, and that creepy red stain? That's tholins, organic compounds that basically make Pluto look like it's cosplaying as Cthulhu. Then there's Charon, Pluto's moon. It's half Pluto's size and orbits so close they're locked in a weird dance where they both just stare at each other forever. The centre of mass is in empty space between them, meaning it's less a moon orbiting a planet and more a celestial couple that refuses to move out of each other's apartments. Scientists think they even smashed into each other in the past. Classic toxic relationship energy. So, Pluto may not be a planet anymore, but thanks to New Horizons we know it's way cooler than anyone thought. Literally. Minus 229 degrees Celsius cooler. Curious George, do you think Pluto deserves its planet card back? Or should it stay in the dwarf planet friend zone forever? Drop your thoughts and any other fun Pluto facts in the comments. And while you're down there, smash that like button harder than Pluto smashed into Charon. Follow for more sarcastic space therapy. And remember, even cosmic rejects deserve love.